Hello, 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 hello. Good afternoon. We are here again at Hilton Manila Hotel here at Newport City. And for today, till the 30th of May, we will be staying in this room. So this is 40 square meter room, King Executive. So this is the bedroom. There's the sofa, the working table, and the LED TV. By the way, we have here Gab Gab and parents. Yeah. They're going to. You're going where? You're gonna swim later. Okay. We're just waiting for Uno and Ate A. Maybe they will join you in your swimming. Okay. By the way, we booked another room at another hotel. So that's why they are here. Because as you all know, I will be going to the United States and Canada in the next few days. And we just want to have more time for bonding. We want to be close together with each other. So, shout out! Shout out for Gab Gab and shout out for Terrence. Okay, so this is the room. Okay, they have a vault here. They have some complimentary mineral water, and this is where you're gonna place our things. And this is the washing area. The toilet, okay, the shower room, and the grandiose bathtub. Okay, so here we are. This is Hilton Manila. Okay, and the view for today, duration of our stay, is the Newport City. It's raining, It's raining. There's the cinema there. Okay. And here is the Newport City. And later on, we will be going down and explore the other facilities that the Newport City, especially the Hilton Manila Hotel, will offer. So, again, thank you for being with us, for supporting us. Oh, there they are. So what time are you going to swim? You want it now? You want to swim now? Or later? Later. Okay. See you later. Bye-bye. Hello. Good afternoon. So today probably will be our last vlog for season 1. This will be our season 1 episode 203 as we end our year 1. Siguro i-share ko lang sa inyo how the Seniors Couple vlog started. It was in June of last year that we were in Japan, and while doing some documentary photos and videos of our stay in Japan, we talked with each other, why not having a full-blown documentary? And maybe the best platform is through YouTube, because unless you delete it, it will be, the video will be there forever. Unlike in the Facebook or in Messenger, para ang hirap-hirap pong pag natabunan, ang hirap nang hanapin. But in YouTube, you can just scroll it and then try to look into the different episodes, and definitely you will be able to get the video that you want to view or to watch. No? So it all started while we were in Tokyo, Japan. Actually, we were at Mount Fuji then. exploring the beauty of nature. So from there and there, sabi natin, sige, mag-YouTube na tayo. We try YouTube. So, yung pong mga nauna namin, our initial uploads in our YouTube channel, actually it was June Villanihor first, June Villanihor, our YouTube channel. But we decided that since we are a couple, we always travel together, we always go to places together, so why not make it Seniors Couple Vlog? Doon po, that's where Seniors Couple Vlog was born. So, nag-start lang po kami noon kasi novice pa po tayo we are already seniors of age, medyo mahina na tayo sa technology. So, what we did was to do compilation. We just compile all our previous videos as well as our pictures, and then through the assistance and guidance from our grandchildren, no? Actually, Gab, Roman Gabriel, and her mother, Iris Amor, as well as parents, they first assisted me on how to have a video presentation through, is that CapCut? Yes. And then our other granddaughter, Casey Santina, also since they were in the house most of the time, especially on weekend, she helped us in doing the presentation of our blog. So thank you for them. And then sometimes as Uno, no? Uno and Ate Anya, she's very good. They're all good in video presentation, especially with regard to YouTube and these blogs. No? They're very good in blogging. So, but we cannot always try to follow them to assist us on doing the presentation. So, siguro, sabi nga ng mga apo namin, Lolo Daddy, we will teach you. We will teach you how to do it through CapCut. And then, what's the other one? Canva? Oh, Canva. So, they religiously taught us how to work it out. So, yung bang pinagtakti-takti lang mga picture, pinagduktong-duktong, and then the videos before, actually, mga videos doon as is no? Wala man lang effects, walang video effects, walang body effects, even the text, so simple. Yun as is talaga. Doon po nagsimula yun. And then later on, siyempre, there's always room for improvement. Nag-aral po tayo, tinuruan tayo ng mga apo natin, nagtiyaga sila na turuan ng kanilang lolo, ng kanilang lola, and eventually, paganda na po ang presentation po natin. Nagkakaroon na po ng kulay, nagkakaroon na po ng effects. So, from June of 2023, where the Seniors Couple Vlog was born, where we started to vlog just for the purposes of documentary lang po, no? And compiling all our videos and pictures and photos and everything. Doon po nagsimula ang Seniors Couple Vlog. And then as we go from one phase to another, so we thought of a good content. Sabi natin, panay naman ang biyahe natin So why not include travel in your content? Panay ang kain natin sa mga sa labas, sa mga restaurant, kung saan tayo kumakain. So we also include eating and featuring all those restaurants and all the eating places that we had been. So sinama po namin yun. And then syempre family. When we are always together, we try to video it, we try to document it. Actually, nakakatuwa po, no? So, yan po ang ating legacy, no? Nakakatuwa po kasi nakakalibang, no? Pero nakakapagod, pero nakakatuwa at nakakalibang. Nung ako po ay tinuturuan nila sa editing, naabot po ako ng madaling araw. Matagal po pala mag-edit, no? Minsan alas 3 oras, 4 na oras. Talagang tiyaga-tiyaga lamang po. So, dun po, medyo dumami po ang ating mga presentation, mga travel namin sa Japan, sa Korea, sa Malaysia, sa Singapore, and then sa some part of Europe, sa US, dahil madalas naman po tayo sa US at sa Canada. Ayun po, hanggang sa umabot na nga po tayo as of before this one, we have 202 episodes or videos. At ang nakakatawa pa rin po, nung kami po ay nasa Canada, yung mga kapatid po namin doon, si Brother Manuel and his wife, si Get, as well as Brother Arnel, at si ang wife niya, si Ray. Sabi nila, Kuya, ano pa natin? Binili po nila kami ng mic. Itong mga mic po na to. 2 sets po. At binili rin po ako ng earpod, kami mag-asawa. So nakakatuwa po yun dahil sabi nila, sayang yung mga videos natin. Nagsasalita tayo, hindi masyadong naririnig, lalo kung malayo po. So from there, nung nasa Canada kami, we were able to make so many vlogs, so many episodes. So nagpunta po kami ng Las Vegas, nagpunta po kami ng Arizona, and then while we were in Canada, nag-cross kami sa border. Actually, kasi ang visa po namin sa Canada by that time was Electronic Travel Authority or Advisory, ETA. So, we tried whether we can cross the border. Yeah, we were able to cross the border. So, we went to, actually that is in Washington, one of the smallest place in America. We went the first day that we went to, and then we went to Bellingham, we went to Shuttle, so many places there because almost every other day we used to cross the border. So then we went to the different outlet. Nakakatuwa po. I'm so happy for the support of my brothers and sisters, as well as our own family, our children, our grandchildren, in having this seniors couple vlog as our YouTube channel. Nakakatuwa po talaga at ako po ay kahit naabot ng 3-4 na oras pag-i-edit, hindi po ako nagsasawa. Nag-i-enjoy po kasi kami. Ang sarap pong after the hard work of editing, mahirap pala mag-edit kasi yung sequencing, tapos yung sounds po, yung audio, kailangan mo pang ipa-copyright yan, and then ano ba yung appropriate na audio, tapos setting. So talagang napakahirap po mag-editing, yung mga effects na yan. So nakuha po sa tiyaga at eventually siguro modesty aside, paganda po ang aming presentation. And we are open for improvement. So, we welcome your comment. Ano pa ba po ang pwede namin gawin para mas mapaganda pa po ang aming presentation. Unfortunately, my wife is in the other room. Meron pa siyang work from home. Kaya ako na lang po ang nagsasalita ngayon and trying to explain or share to you what's happening. Nakakatawa po. It's finally happening. Matatapos na po pala ang aming year 1. No? And this is our last episode for year 1, episode 2 103. No? Because next month po, in the following days, ilang araw na lang, 2-3 araw na lang, June na po. And that will be our season 2. And by that time, I will be in the United States of America for our Chapiling 90th, for our Chapiling 90th birthday. No? So, our relatives there, they have all done the preparation, and we want to give credits for them for all the activities that they have prepared. So I will be leaving on the 28th for Japan, and then on the 29th I will be flying to Los Angeles, and I will be staying to Los Angeles till June 4. And then on June 4, I'll be flying to Vancouver till June 8. And then from June 8, I will have to go back to Japan till June 10. And then June 10, I'll be arriving here, back to the Philippines. And then by June 11, since June 12 is my birthday, we will be flying back to Osaka for my birthday celebration. Siyempre kasama ang aking beautiful wife, no? So that will be our season 2. Doon po magsisimula ang ating season 2, episode 1 onwards, no? Okay. Pero nga po pala akong pakikita sa inyo, no? May ginawa po yung mga apo ko ganito, no? Pinag-ID po ako, at mayroon pa pong whistle. No? Nakakatuwa. Why? No? Sabi nila, Lolo Dad, kasi it's better to be safe, ano? Kung medyo you need some help, you just whistle, and then all the information is on the card, and then the people that need to be contacted can be contacted immediately. So, thank you for that, no, mga apo. Thank you. Salamat sa inyo. So, today nga po, nandito ulit tayo sa Hilton Manila Hotel here in Newport City, and we have another hotel at Sheraton, and another one at Holiday Inn. So for our children and grandchildren to be with us, so banding moment muna kami. At least here in Newport City, almost familiar na kayo. Marami na po tayong walkthrough dito. You have seen Belmont Hotel, Okura Hotel, Marriott, Holiday Inn, Sheraton, and especially Hilton Manila. And then the Newport Mall, napasyalan na po natin yan. But still, maybe if there's still some time, gagawa po tayo ng another tour sa mga lugar po na yan na atin pong binanggit. But as of now, we're still resting, waiting for the rest of the group, and then we will go swimming. And again, eat later. You know, our family likes eating. We eat a lot and we enjoy eating, but especially what we enjoy most is being together. Okay, so we hope to see you, but before that, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all. Beyond gratefulness, we really want to thank you. We indeed appreciate your support for continuing watching, viewing, like, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Kayo po ang nagbibigay ng lakas ng loob sa amin para ipagpatuloy po ang aming YouTube channel na Seniors Couple Vlog. We are really very, very grateful and thankful to all of you, to all the wonderful people that in one way or another has contributed for us reaching this end of season 1, and then finally we are to our season 2. Thank you very much. And as our grandchildren always say, What's your routine? You watch, you like, you comment, and share. But most especially, please subscribe. So thank you very much. We love you all. Thank you for always being there to support us. And hopefully in due time, we will be able to reach our goal of being eligible as a YouTube contributor, a content contributor, and then hopefully we will be able to share more and more of our undertaking, travel, hotels, eatery, restaurant, family legacy, and all the good vibes, all the good things, because we are always together, we are family, and you are also our family. Thank you. God bless us all. We love you. Ayos buhok mo ah. Pakulay mo akong ganyan.
Daddy, bubukan. Ano ka na lang? More? More cream? Ano na yun? Are you sure?
Ha? Picture. Di ba, apa picture to, no? So, start with picture. O, tingin kayo rito. Shout out.
Oh,